Windows 10 change resolution grayed out problem. So if you're having issues whenever you're trying to change the resolution by simply opening the settings app, and then maybe you're trying to go to system and go to display, and you have been trying to change the resolution. Now, if it goes grayed out, it most likely means that the display is not supported with that particular resolution. Maybe your computer only supports 1080p, but you're trying to put the computer in 4K or 2K, or if it could be because your drivers are not installed properly, right? So what you can do in this case is there are a couple of ways. First of all, you want to make sure to update your drivers, right? So you can scroll down and you can see changing screen orientation and so on like that. But what I would recommend you do is go to Windows Update, and once you go to Windows Update, you'll be able to update your device to the latest version. And once done, that should hopefully help you solve the problem. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.